Hello, and welcome to Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things, where you find the linky stuff. Notification bell. There's reasons. Thank you so much for watching. Let's rock. Let it dry. Start shaling that freaking paint off. Now, the fun part. Pull away. Drag back. Sick your ass. Much better. I'm not doing that for the sawhorse's sake. I got some runners under there, front and back, help support it. Now that's just so I have a better platform for how I'm going to deal with this. Nothing got written down. This was all made one piece at a time in just a couple of days. Had it done. Just leftovers laying around. Like every project I have, there's a story to it. Father had a heart thing. It was recommended that he get a cat because cats are good for your heart. So he got a cat. Dad passed away. I got a cat. I was weaning him for outside. I put him out on a leash with a collar and noticed it was sprinkling on him. So when we finally got to cleaning out the garage after Father, started picking through the lumber, and I looked at the cat, and I looked at the lumber, and I looked at the cat, and I looked at the lumber, and ding, light bulb. The very first cat house. That's what started all this. You're gonna like it inside. There's a second story to it. No, I didn't make him a little staircase, but there's a little loft in the back third of that, I believe. I don't remember. That's why I got to pull the face off, see how I put it together, so I can move forward. Cat house. How's that for a pussy palace? Got a second story in it. There in the back. No, I'm not in my own light. Anyway. Yeah, just 1x2s. Ribbed all the way around. Skeleton all the way around. Not connected to the top either. I don't know what 8x no dice. Oh yeah, because I was thinking about putting a cross in here. I didn't need it since everything was pinned up to the wall. So yeah, anyway. 1.5 story. L bracketed in. Full gable. Insulated all the way around. 1/4-inch fan fold. Owens Corning. So it's bug proof. Except for the assholes living in here. Yeah. Can I build them or what? Little cathedral to my kitty. Anyway. No, while I was building it, while I'm doing setting up the sticks for the walls, he was sleeping right there while I'm dropping screws. Putting screws in. Anyway. That comes out. It sits on 2 L brackets. What I wanted to know is where the spines were. Now I know how deep to measure, and where to cut. So I grabbed a couple plans off the internet. I guess my first concern is how deep they are. 9.5. I'm 24 long, so I'm thinking I can get 8. I can get 3 pieces of 8. For what I lack in depth, I'll make up for height and width. They'll have plenty of room. The other thing is a 10 by 8 floor. Sort of an oblong shape is what they're going for. And that doesn't make any sense. If that's your floor, how about extending that bill out? Nope, they want you to, no, that's for the stairs. Dit. Inside and out. That's off of a 6 foot 1 by 10. Is what they're shooting for. Actual size 3/4. No, it isn't. It's 7. See, these are Canadian blueprints. 7/8 is a 1-inch board. 9.5. No, it's 9 7/8. They're converting from metric and they're messing it up. Damn Canadians. Also, I almost forgot. They are rodents. Drill 1/4-inch holes for drainage. Because they're rodents. I had hamsters. Anybody out there have hamsters, you know what a bitch it is cleaning all that tubing. Soft pine lumber. Soft lumber. Those kooky Canucks at it again. Soft pine lumber. Yeah. Oh, and calls for no glue. 30-ish 2-inch screws. Their overall height with tops and bottoms, extended floors, they're calling for a 16-inch height at the most, taper down to 14. It's going to have peaks on it, so. Also hinges and a thing so you can clean it out seasonally. This one calls for it also. Patreon, looking at you. The overall is going to be like 18. That's why I looked into what are they using, 1-bys. So 16, 17, 18. Get the floor to run the outside. Okay, my walls are 15 high. So that'll suffice. And the overall breadth of it is 9.5. No, it ain't. It is 15 and 3/4, actual 3/4 wide. And the base is getting replaced, but it stays in place for now. It's 1 inch thick, yeah. These are 1/4 or 3/8. Can't remember. 3/8. Awesome, nice and light. I'll replace the base. Draw some lines. I had in my head that I could just chainsaw straight through.
small problem. 16-inch blade, 16 inches across. It would have made for a fantastic visual. Use the mirror on the other side, shoot over my shoulder as you watch me hit both lines. Yes, well, wow, yay, woo, clicks and shit. It's not gonna work. Roof. Dad's lumber, Dad's cat, Dad's saw. Yay! Full circle. Come on. Just through. That'll do it. The nice thing about this one is it doesn't have an exhaust that'll blow straight in my face because I got to use my left hand. Because I've been at this maybe an hour, and my right's already junk. So, yay. That's solid. Ooh. Hey, dumbass, don't take the board with you. Might need that somewhere. Curb plop. Do do whoop do 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 do. That looks like a floor to me. Adjustments will be made. Mark it out. That's more like it. this side is 7 7/8. It's an eighth short of 8 inches. Bases are 8. And this is 7 3/4. So we're going 7 3/4. Top bottom. Then I'll put them on, clean them up, and saw. Deep for the sides. And the floor it's 11 1/8. We're gonna make it 11 by the 15. Heat. Again, I don't have a safety guard thingy, whatever, blah, blah, blah. There you go. I need to use the rip fence again. Already got holes, oh well. But screw these two together and clean that up because it overlaps on both sides. Get the warble out of that edge. Have I made myself clear? I didn't press record, but all better. Like that. And the two up front. Flat back face, door, stairs. Put a shelf in it. I want to like break it up a little bit. Okay. Tiny screws. Just so. 5 holes. I forgot that part. And then linseed oil it.